Hello friend, today start with ninth class activity sheet first subject science and technology of preparatory of bridge course. As today start with activity sheet first as the day first let's understand force, contact force and non-contact force, frictional force, balance force and unbalanced force. Let's understand in today's activity sheet. See reference of standard 8th chapter 3rd force and pressure. Learning outcomes: explain the effect of force. Second, explain the example of contact force and non-contact force in everyday life. Third, explain the example of balanced force and unbalanced force in everyday life. See the let's take a look of the force. See, force. A force is a push or pull open an object resulting from the object interaction with another object. Force helps to set an object in motion, change the direction and speed of the object in motion. Also, it is required to stop the object in motion. See the force. Force two types as first contact force and non-contact force. That means of the contact force, see, develop on establishing contact the object, that is the frictional force. Is the daily uses of the banana slipping on the legs. Next, non-contact force develop when the object come in the vicinity of force. Example, gravitational force, the earth revolve on the sun, the gravitational force. Contact force and non-contact force. As contact force, see, a force which is seen to act through a direct contact of object is called a contact force. Example, pushing, pulling and picking up sometimes. Pushing a bag, pulling a car. This is the example of contact force in a hands. Non-contact force. A force is applied between two objects even if the two objects are non-contact. Such force is called as non-contact force. The example of magnetic force. See, in a magnet are attracted to nails. Nails are attracted to the magnet. See, gravitational force. The coconut falling on a tree is a gravitational force. Electrostatic force. The papers is attracted to the rubbing balls is an example of non-contact force. Is an example of contact force of the pulling on a man on a car. See, next example, pushing a dog or boy. Example of contact non-contact force. The magnet attracted to the nail are attracted to the magnet and paper are attracted to the comb because of the electrostatic and magnetic force. This is the non-contact example. Next, some more types of force. Characteristic of balanced and unbalanced force. Type of force. Balanced force. The speed of the object is controlled. This is called as balanced force. Unbalanced force. The speed of object is not controlled. This is the unbalanced force. Next, the effect of force on an object. First, if several forces are applied on an object in the same direction, a force equal to their addition act on the object. Second, if the two forces are applied on one object in the direction opposite to one other, a force equal to their difference act on the object. Third, a force is expressed in magnitude and direction. Force is a vector quantity. The end of the explanation of the chapter 8. Let's see in let's practice. Solve the example. See, first see question. First, identify the types of force in the following picture. As the first picture, see a man, children playing a tug of war pull the rope of their respective direction. If the pull of the force is equal on the two sides, the rope does not move. That is the picture. First is a balanced force. Next, the force is more on one side. The rope of the move in the direction. This initially two force is unbalanced because of the rope move direction in higher force. That is the unbalanced force in a next picture. As a question 2, identify whether contact or non-contact force is used while performing the following action. A. Fruit falling from a tree is a non-contact force. B. One side of a weighing pan is coming down is contact force. Next, C. Hitting a ball with a bat is a contact force. Separating the iron end from the sawdust using a magnet. This is a non-contact force. Next, balloon rubbed against the hair stick on the wall is a non-contact force. Next, question 3. List some more example of contact force and non-contact force. While list, write the type. See, first is a contact force. See examples. Exert force to move bullock cart forward. And second example, boy playing is kicking the ball away. These two example of the first is a muscular force. Next, third, a carom piece is flicked lightly is a frictional force. A ball rolling over flat ground, this is the frictional force. Next, non-contact force. See the list of the example. First, coconut falling from a tree. This is the gravitational force. Next, the planet revolves around the sun. This is the gravitational force. Third, a big nail to stick to the magnet. This is the magnetic force. The example of non-contact force of the 3 and contact force of the 4 and any more example. Next, question 4. Which experiment will you perform to prove that electrostatic force is a non-contact force? See, they answer the question. Spread small pieces of a paper on a table. Rub a piece of thermocol or an inflated balloon against a silk cloth and bring a near these pieces. We see that a small piece of paper attracted toward a thermocol or an inflated balloon because the force exerted by such electrically charged material is say electrostatic force. The electrostatic force acts without a contact, therefore these are the example of non-contact force. As next question 5, make a list of the indicating taking place by influence of gravitational force. See the gravitational force example in a daily use. An object falling from a tall building, earth revolve around the sun, fruits on a tree falls on the ground, an aeroplane flying in the sky, winnowing the grain. This is an example of the all in a gravitational force. Thank you watching my video. Please subscribe, comment and like and a daily notification in your mobile. Thank you watching my video.